In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 useful websites that can help you with your math homework and in your studies. Because trust me, when you're first learning a subject, especially something as complex as math, you're going to want some of these tools to help you along the way. Honorable mention goes out to Chegg, because Chegg is great. Chegg might even be the best resource on here, but the biggest downside is 2 things. One, there's a massive paywall. 18 bucks a month is a lot to ask for any service, so it's really hard for me to outright recommend to you as a tool to use in your math class. But the bright side about it is that you can post whatever question you want, and it will be answered by an expert in that subject matter. Now, it's not always correct. Sometimes you get some answers that are just bad and not correct, which is also partially why I'm not suggesting Chegg. But more than anything, it's just that it's really expensive, and even though it is super helpful, I will not recommend it in this video. Alright, let's talk about my actual top 5. Number 5 is MathPapa. MathPapa is great for algebra. You can put in pretty much any algebra problem you want, and it will spit out an answer for you. For example, if you want to factor and find the answer to x squared plus 3x plus 6 equals 0, it will find the factors for you and show you all the steps to solve that problem. And all you had to do was type it in. It's awesome. I used MathPapa so much when I was younger to figure out how to do some algebra problems, and I promise it'll be helpful for you too. The biggest downside, of course, is since this channel does focus on calculus and some higher level math, MathPapa starts to lose some of the functionality and usefulness compared to some of the other things on this list. But still, great website, highly recommend using it. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but all the websites will be linked in the description, so don't worry, you don't have to go searching for them. Number 4 is Desmos. Desmos is great because it is amazing for graphing, especially 2D functions. You can put in pretty much any function you want into Desmos and it'll graph it for you instantly. Want to find the intersection of negative 2x and negative x plus 1? You can find it just by typing it in, and you can find the intersection point in seconds. Anything to do with 2D graphs, Desmos is great for, and the website itself comes with a scientific calculator, and it has its own lesson plans in case you're struggling in a subject. The one big downside though to Desmos is that, especially when you start to get into more 3D math, Desmos becomes a lot less useful. So while it is amazing, it is no higher than number 4 on this list, although it is very helpful. Number 3 is GeoGebra. Now GeoGebra is great because it's like Desmos, but it has 3D graphing capabilities. It also has the 2D ones, but I like Desmos more for that. GeoGebra has 3D graphing capabilities, and it works so well, and this is especially useful when you get to Calculus 3. If you're working with any 3D shape, you've got to go with GeoGebra because it instantly shows you your function and you can spin it around and see all the points on it. If I'm going to give this website a downside, the biggest one is that it's possible that it doesn't run very well on your computer. After all, it is graphing a 3D model, but honestly, unless your computer is like 15 years old, I think you're going to be okay. But since GeoGebra has kind of limited usage and can run solely on older computers, it only lands at number 3 because there's 2 more websites that I think are much better. Number 2 is Symbolab. Now you may be a little surprised to not see this at number 1. If you look up a type of calculator, Symbolab will almost always be one of the first 3 links to any calculator you need. Need to find out a complex triple integral? Check, it's got you in second. Need to find the slope of a line because you're tired and lazy? Check. Need to find the partial derivative? Easy money, it can do that for you in second. But the only reason this website is not number 1 is because if you want to see steps, it's behind a paywall. But unlike Chegg, you can still use this for free. I've used Symbolab many times to just help me through my homework, help me figure out what the answer is, and then try and find my steps on the way to the answer. Highly recommend Symbolab. You should totally check it out and totally use it if you haven't already. But my number 1 website, especially considering that this channel focuses highly on calculus, is Integral and Derivative Calculator. Yes, these are 2 websites, but they do almost the same thing. As you may have guessed, Integral and Derivative Calculator find your integral and your derivatives. You can plug in any derivative or any integral that you want, and it will solve it for you with all of the steps. And I think that's the biggest thing that separates Integral and Derivative Calculator from the rest, is that not only is it free, but it shows you all the steps, and trust me, it is so helpful. I've used it so many times, and I cannot stress enough how useful these websites have been for me all the way from Calculus 1 to 3. Now, the biggest downside to this one, of course, is that it is kind of limited. Obviously, you can only do derivatives and only do integrals, but you can do partial derivatives on the website, which is great. You can solve for any variable you want, and honestly, it's a very useful website that I highly recommend. So yeah, those are my top 5. Use these in your classes. I promise they will help you so much and they'll help you learn. But the most useful website of all is my channel. You should totally subscribe so you can learn math in the most fun way possible, because let's be honest, there's a lot of boring math videos out there and I don't want to blend in with those, so these videos will be fun and exciting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.